Okay, here we have the package that I ordered off of Alibaba. So, I needed a harness for my 5.3 L33 swap into my Foxbody. And I only paid a couple $100 for the motor, and I was looking around at custom harnesses, plug and play. And the only thing I could find was 600 plus dollars that wasn't an eBay special. So I did some looking and I asked around on actually the Sloppy Mechanics Discord, and they said they sent me a link to an Alibaba for sale site, and the prices were about $200. It said, and that seemed like a deal. I was kind of sketchy, kind of weary. That's a lot of money going from my account to China to a company I've never dealt with and nobody really had any experience with. So I hit him up, told him I needed it for a 4L80 trans, EV1 injectors, and an LS1 style harness. So they ran the numbers and they sent me back. It was $268 shipped. Sounded great to me. So I was like, well, here we go. I went ahead and sent them the money. Now this is the packing slip with the info. It's funny because it says that the product's only valued at $86. It must be a way for them to not have to pay so much import tax or customs or however that works. But let's go ahead and open this guy up. Well, this looks good. Got instruction manual. Pretty thick, a lot of pages. It's got some pictures. The English is actually fairly good written out, surprisingly. Must have contracted a translator or something, because usually when you buy something from China with instruction manual, the grammar's terrible. It's missing words or it's translated funky, but that seems to be alright. Got some connectors, like just some basic wire connectors. And here's the harness. Now this thing, it's pretty beefy. Oh, and if you're curious, a billet 7875 makes a good coffee table decoration while you get your motor together. But this package came in at like 2.7 kilos, which is I think like 8 pounds. Let's lay it out here. It's a relay. Everything looks to be pretty good. Let's take a look at pins. Clean. That's all new wiring. I don't know who makes the wire. I'm sure it's nobody expensive, but fuse block. Got some fuses in there. Relay. I'm assuming this relay just fell out. Tight connection. Alright. OBD2. Wow. I'm gonna be honest. I was almost expecting to lose some money on this deal.
okay. Does, I mean, it's wire loomed, electrical taped. Somebody's fingers were bleeding after all this. Firewall rubber grommet in the middle of the harness. Alright. Wow. Let's see if I can. So. Yeah, they've electrical taped all the major connections, or where the wiring branches off. Some of this is labeled, not all of it. Fuse 1, fuse 2, so you know what those are fused to. These are going to be injector plugs. Got the metal retaining clips. Wow. I'm not finding any kind of name brand on the plugs, but I'm sure oh, that says Delphi on it, so there's that. Overall, it looks fantastic. See other bank of injectors. Awesome. Well, I guess that's update number 1. I don't know if it works yet. We'll have to see. The car's, yeah, we'll just put it at a couple months away from first start, but it's almost there. Thanks for watching.